Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make my brisket with these ingredients here, and that string beans. I'm going to stir fry with that with a top of crispy onion rings. Okay. This I have a video this last night how I marinate this brisket. I like my brisket marinated because it tastes you get more flavor. Okay, let's put it up together and bake it. Alright, let's prepare all the spices to marinate the brisket. Okay. This is cumin, just a half tablespoon. And this is cinnamon. And this is the onion. I don't have powder, but I just use that. That works. I don't have a white one, so I just use the brown one. Okay. I don't have also black that already the ground, so I have to ground it here directly. It's supposed to be also one half teaspoon. And I have to figure it out. That's not half tablespoon teaspoon yet. Mom, there's a spider here. And 1 tablespoon of paprika. So we'll mix it up together, and we're going to spread this one to the brisket, and we'll marinate it overnight. And this is wine, just like 3 tablespoons of wine. And 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I soaked this one not really that long enough, so that should be fine for now. I don't have much time to do it. It's around like 11:30 p.m. here now. I'm gonna cook this for tomorrow. Okay. I still have a little fat, but it's okay. And then I'm going to make a sauce for this. I'm thinking if I'm going to use my hands or not. I'm crazy. So I already put in here because on the other side is already spread with the spice. So this one I'm gonna pour all of this here. The spices smell good. So this time I'm going to use my hands now. I'm going to play with it. That way it covered all of them. I can smell the cinnamon. Okay, that's overnight the marinade. Alright, let's put this one in the fridge to marinate overnight. Okie dokie. Okay, let's put some vegetables on the bottom. I know I have long one, I have short one. It got dark right away, the apple. I love apple on my brisket. I didn't realize that I only have 2 pieces of potatoes because I put some in the... I made a potato salad, and also last night I made cicoles, turkey. So I put some in there. And I love also a lot of garlic on my brisket. And then I sprinkled some salt on that. And some black peppers. I kind of like this because it's really It looks like fresh or something, and it smells really good. Okay, that should be enough. Alright, now we're going to dump this. First, I forgot to tell you that I have got like 1.5 broth. That way, we have a sauce right there in the bottom. There you go. Here we go. And I only need to cover that up with aluminum foil. Yeah, preheat your oven for 375 degrees. I forgot to tell you, you need to double pan your baking pan, and also you need to keep an eye on your sauce. You might need more broth. You don't want to get dry out, right? Because I only put 1.5 for now, so I will just add it later if I need some. Okay. Okay, it's time for me to make my glaze sauce for my brisket. This is from the brisket. That is 2 cups. So I'm going to add out 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, some black peppers, and some salt. There's a 1/8 teaspoon. And this is the honey. I'm going to put 1/4 cup of that. So my allergy just attacking me for no reason, even when I'm inside the house. It won't come out. Oh, my nose. Oh, hello. Can I help you? My daughter. Come out. Okay, just mix that up. And then we're going to boil this until a little bit sticky. Okay, let's boil it. I forgot I need to put a dash of allspice, like 1/8 teaspoon of allspice. Now it's boiling. Just keep stirring it. Just lower your fire. Heat to medium low. It's almost done. I boil it like 5 to 8 minutes. I don't want it so really sticky. Should be enough. Okie dokie. Okay, let's organize that. The brisket is really moist. Now let's add the sauce on top. Now ready to serve. So here is my honey glazed brisket. There you go. Okay guys, here is my honey glazed brisket. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okie dokie. See ya.